Welcome to Grab and Go Info. Visual Studio Code is a lightweight but powerful cross-platform IDE that supports different programming languages. In this tutorial, we will talk about how to set up and run Python Debugger in VS Code. Step 1.1. Click the extensions icon on the left menu and type Python in the search bar. Then click the results with the highest download number, and verify that the extension is published by Microsoft. Step 1.2. Click Install to install the extension. After the installation is completed, there will be options for disable and uninstall. Step 2.1. Click the Explorer icon on the left menu and then click the blue Open Folder button. Step 2.2. Select the project folder and open the Python file for debugging. Step 3.1. Click the Run and Debug icon on the left menu and add breakpoints by clicking the red dot in front of the row numbers. Step 3.2. Click the blue Run and Debug button and select Python file for the debug configuration. Step 3.3. We will see the debugging console showing on the left-hand side, and the program stops at the first breakpoint. After the debugging session started, a toolbar with 6 action options appears. The first action icon is Continue. It runs the code and stops at the next breakpoint. The second action icon is Step Over. It runs the code line by line and makes a stop after running each line of the code. If there is a function call, it returns the results directly without going through the code within the function. The third action icon is Step In. It steps into the function if the code includes a function call. Otherwise, it runs the next line of code just like Step Over. The fourth action icon is Step Out. After stepping into a function, we can use Step Out to get out of the function. The fifth action icon is Restart. It restarts the debugging and stops at the first breakpoint. The last action icon is Stop. It stops the debugging process. If you have made it this far, you probably find the information in this tutorial helpful. Please click the like button and subscribe to the channel to get notified when I publish new videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.